Hello, yesterday I bought from Halfords this 200 Lumen front light for my back, and you can charge it by USB. I'm not quite too sure, but I think by the looks of it, that bit on there shows you how full or empty the battery is, but we have to open it up and find out. Oh look, it's got a little diagram thing on here. It says models in our range. It shows you the beam length visibility and how powerful it is. I think that is the model number across the top there, and that's the beam length visibility. So the most powerful one is it's a 250 meters apparently. Is that right? Right down to about 50 meters. Okay, well that's quite a claim. That's right. Oh, LM equals luminum. So 50 luminum, 200 luminum, right up to 1600 luminum. That just tells you what light can do. Pause the next few seconds if you ever want to read this, and then that just tells you about the other models, and that bit tells you fitting instructions. Basically just put it onto your handlebars. That tells you what's inside: light, strap and a cable for charging, and that tells you about 4.5 hours to charge. Let's just open it up and find out what's inside. So that's obviously the strap where you fit it around the handlebar, like so. Do that properly. Let's take. That's obviously the power cable where you can fit it to your device. I'll probably be using my computer, or I've got a special plug as well, so I'll do either or. This is to charge the battery. Fitting instructions. Let's take a look at what's this. This is just information on waste disposal for consumer of electrical and electronic equipment. Not really interesting, but important, I suppose. Now it says use a power source, so I've got this plug here. I'm going to connect up to there, and then it says put this bit here and back here. Pull this off, and you've got a little plug just there, and that plugs in there. And that goes in there. Plug it in. Now that does flash. I think which says instruction when that reaches the top there, it's fully charged and take 4.5 hours to charge up. Don't worry, I'm not going to sit here and film it for 4.5 hours, so I'll come back to you later. Yeah, so I just want to quickly show you this. As you can see, it is how you can see that. But it says 0.5, but basically when that's fully charged, that goes right to the top there. At the moment it's at 25%. Next flash, that's 50% full. It'll be 75%, that'll be 100% full. And reverse, once it's fully charged and I'm starting using it, it has got 3 hours. Oh look, it even says so. It says 3.0, that means we've got 3 hours use. 2 is 2 hours use. 1 is the 1 hour use. And 0.50 probably that means half an hour's use. It's 2:30 now. It'll be about 7 o'clock tonight when that's fully charged. It does say on instructions to fully charge it before you use it. So I haven't even turned it on yet. So when it's later fully charged, I'll show you. It'll be dark then, so it's going to take a long time to make this video. So see you in a bit. Okay, it's now 3:10. It's not quite done, but you can tell from earlier it's now at the 2 hour mark. Just want to show you this. I've just been looking at this. Now the ones I've got, Lumen 200 or the 200 Lumen, according to this, the visibility is 100 meters. If you look on this side, 200, and then it goes back to there, and that doesn't look like 100 meters to me. So I don't really quite understand that. Like that's a picture, a diagram of the mountain bike. There's a saddle, there's a back wheel, that's a handlebar, and those are the 2 pedals there. And the front light I've got only goes as far as that, which doesn't look like, as I said, that doesn't look like 100 meters to me. 100 meters would be somewhere down here maybe, or even further. And like I said, according to this, like on the side it says beam length visibility, in brackets says meters, so that so I don't really understand that. And it says that also once the battery goes low, to save the battery power, it starts to flash, and I'll tell you a bit more about it a bit later. This is what I don't get. It says takes 4.5 hours battery charge. And I said this would be ready for 7 o'clock and it's only just gone past 5. But on instructions here it says battery capacity indicates 4 bars, which represents 25%, 50%, 75%, 100% battery capacity. At 100% the battery is fully charged. As you can see, all the 4 lights are lit up, which means it's fully charged. But so do I wait till 7 o'clock or do I put it on my bike now? Maybe I ought to wait till 7 o'clock, I'm not quite too sure. I thought that it would take 4.5 hours for all these bars to go up, but when it's gone past 5:30 and all the 4 bars are all now lit up, and it does say on instructions that when it's all 4 bars lit up it's fully charged. So what do I do? Okay, now gone past 7 o'clock, as you can see, fully charged. So let's put this on my bike and see what it does. I've got to put this cap back on, make it waterproof again. Now let's go downstairs and get it all fixed up. Now this looks pretty easy. All I've got to do, wrap that around the bar and clap onto there. So like I said, just put that around there. Okay, so to check how much power, all I've got to do is press that button. As you can see, it's all lit up, so that's pretty much full. I'm going to turn off the lights now so we can see. Apparently it's got 7 modes. It's got high, medium, low, day, flash, pulse, rapid and overdrive. Oh look, it goes green. So that wasn't high, this is medium. That's low. That's day flash. That's pulse. That's rapid. And that's overdrive. Now it says it can remember what mode it is in when I last turn it off. So let's put it on. That must be day flash, so if I turn it off then turn it back on again. Oh. There you go, so it did remember. So that's pulse. So turn it off and then turn it back on again. So so it remembers what mode I was last in. When the remaining power level is too low, the light switch will automatically switch to eco mode. Eco mode is a reduced light output mode designed to extend the remaining burn time and allow the user time to stop and recharge the light. And I think you get the gist of it now. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't just pass by without subscribing. And I'll see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye.